This moi moi recipe is the most delicious version you'll ever try, and I'm confident that you will love it. The combination of flavors and textures is absolute perfection, and the secret ingredients takes it to a whole new level. Hey Clara's Kitchen lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today I bring to you a game-changing moi moi recipe, and I just can't wait to share it with you all. Please watch till the end. To make the perfect moi moi, you need a few basic ingredients, including beans, onions, pepper, fresh ginger and nutmeg, crayfish, shombo, both raw and boiled eggs, seasoning cubes, olive oil, salt, and good milk. I started by boiling the eggs with the electric egg cooker. And went ahead to wash and peel the beans my usual easy way. Just pour a little water on the beans and rub them in between your hands. Wash and sieve out the peels from the beans. Continue the process for 2 or 3 times till it is very clean. Remove the seeds from the shombo and also peel off the back of the onions and the ginger. Wash the crayfish and add them together and grind. Dissolve the seasoning cube and the salt with a lukewarm water. This part is very important. Break in the eggs. I use 5 eggs and give it a good stir. Go ahead and pour in the dissolved seasoning cubes liquid and stir very well. Now the eggs are hard boiled. I deshelled it and use a slicer to slice it. I greased the ramekins. You can use foil paper, aluminium plates, anything you have. Scoop the moi moi mixture into the ramekins and put in your pot. Top it with the egg slices. Add a reasonable amount of water inside the pot and cook. If today is your first time here, you're highly welcome to Clara's Kitchen. Here we give out easy step-by-step superb recipe for a healthy living. Please join the family by clicking on the subscription button and on your notification bell to see our next video anytime it drops. Thank you so much as you do so. Cover and cook on a moderate heat for 15 to 20 minutes or until it is well cooked. You will agree with me that this is the simplest way of making a very delicious and healthy moi moi on this internet. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, share to your family and friends, comment, and most importantly subscribe to our channel to see our videos anytime it drops. See you in my next video. Bye.